What's up guys, welcome to the 10th Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to tell our computer how to make decisions. So we are going to understand a very important what to say. I'm not getting the word here, but something very important which is the basics of whole computing stuff. So let's begin. So first of all, we are going to make our main function or main method here. So public static void main and its parenthesis, and enter it the argument string args and square brackets, and now we will use the braces to give it a body. And in this, let's make an integer here. Int a equals 4. And now what we are going to use is called if statement. So this is the basic keyword of if statement here. If and the parenthesis here. So in this parenthesis, whatever we are going to write is called argument. So it is short of a testing condition. So we will write our condition here which we want to test, and if it is true, it will execute the code here. So to execute the code, sorry, the neighbor's dog is disturbing too much these days. So where was I? So yeah, in the parenthesis, we will write a condition that we want to test. And if the test or the condition is true, the code will be, the system will execute the code whichever we will write between these curly braces or the body of the if statement. And let's move it to the next line. It look more clearer to look. So let's make a basic test here. So let's say if our a is equals to 6. So one more thing I want to tell you here, that the equals we use to test if two things are equal is not a single equal to sign like here. We are going to use two equal to operators here, and what this basically means is if a is equal to the 6. So there are a total of 6 testing operators that are in my mind currently. So as you can see, equals to, greater than, okay, sorry, less than, greater than, and greater than equal to, less than equal to, and yeah, last one was not equal to. So these are the 6 basic operators. So yeah, rest of them you might know, but what this not equal to mean, if a is not equal to 6, then run whatever the part of code is here. So that's how it works. So let's keep it simple and use the equal to and check if a is equal to 6, and always remember to put 2 equal to mark here to check the number. So if a is equal to 6, then print system dot out dot print, and what to print here, let's keep it simple, yes. And now what if this condition is not true? Then there is one more thing that goes along with the if statement, and it is called else statement. So let's give it also a body, and if not true, then it will go like system dot out dot print, and this is else, and end it with semicolon here, and now it looks good. So what a else statement is, it goes along with the your if statement. So if a is not equal to 6, then or else print this line or execute this block of code here. So that's how it works. So the else statement on its own doesn't do much here. So now run our program and see what's the output. And let's see. So this is else. So the value of my a variable is 4, and I am asking that if a is equal to 6, which is obviously not. So the test is returning false, and now the computer is saying okay, the test is false. Then execute the second part of the code, this here, and hence we are getting this is else. So now if I change the test here and let's put another operator like less than, and now our run our code here. So now we will get yes. So as you can see, it is self-explanatory that yeah, if a is less than 6, then print yes. So it is printing yes. So let's go through the code once again here. So what a if else statement is, it is basically telling a computer like, if whatever the condition or test is true, which is inside the parentheses, print the first block of code, else print the second block of code. So that's how if else statement works. So play around with it a little and try out things like using various if statement one by one and more. And this is a very important concept in computing. Like there are various decisions that are being made on this. So practice it a little bit and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.